Okay, welcome. Let's have a look now at US dollar CAD. Let's see at how this market moved this past week. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so basically we would have been here. This is what we had at USDCAD was moving up and hit that point of resistance. Let's see what happened. Monday, big drop, Monday, big drop, and then just a bit of retracement. How many pips is that? Remember, most of the time it's a false move week beginning, 170 pips. Okay, and he had opened this pair, had opened at about 144.50. okay, 144.50, so it looks like it's pretty bearish. Let's see, Tuesday stayed down there. Wednesday, a bit of movement up, but still leaving quite some gap from that high. Thursday, consolidation. We've seen that a lot on many of the pairs. There was a lot of consolidation on Thursday, I think because of that big news drop coming. Then Friday, look at this, the same place where this pair opened is almost exactly where it closed, 144.30, 144.30. okay, so all this in between, let's have a look at this. All this movement here, all this in between here, all this noise, just to get you back to the same thing. You see that? But basically this is the market maker cycle in the 1 week, because this is your peak, your W down. You've got a level here and you've got like another level 2 here. So I'm now just giving extra stuff. You expect him to further keep going up on Wednesday, but that's the cycle. Look at that, so nice and clean. And basically he did not even move anyway. Price didn't move, it closed where it opened, besides all the intra-week movement. Okay, so that is dollar CAD. Still got that high point of resistance of 144.60. as you can see, it's kind of like resisting that point, but I think it's gonna smash through. Okay, I think it's gonna smash through. We'll see what will happen. So let's see now the trades you could have taken on this USDCAD. Let's go to M15. Now if you sign up with one of my brokers, then you'll get to be able to watch the rest of this video. Okay, so let's just see this now. Right, let's see the entries we could have taken. Okay, so like